What up? My name is Zay and welcome to my channel with Ace, all cars everywhere. I already have a fucking fucked up story to tell you guys. So today, I'm late to work right now, like 35 minutes. And actually, I was gonna be fucking on time for the first time because I'm always late. And I go outside because I left my camera in the car and I already planned on filming before I go to work. You know what I'm saying? Like making the first introduction video before I go to work. Tell me how I can't find my fucking keys. So I spent the whole hour like tearing shit up, looking for my car keys. And when I can't find shit, I eventually start assuming shit. Like, for instance, I have 2 little puppies. And I fucking interrogated them. I was like, yo, tell me, cause I was like, yo, tell me these little niggas, bro, fucking took my car key under the couch and was like playing with it like it was some chew toy. So I took both of them and I was interrogating them. I was like, which one of you motherfuckers took my keys, huh? And then the one looked guilty as hell. So I was starting to think she actually did something to it. But anyway, like 35 minutes go by. I'm like, you know what? I even texted one of my friends at work. I was like, yo, bro, tell the boss I'm not coming in. It's not meant to happen today. So I fucking sit down, and when I sit down, I feel something lumpy on my ass. I'm like, yo, fucking tell me it's the car keys. Fucking reach my hand in my back pocket. What do you know? My fucking car keys. So I was like, you know what? Today is just not my day. Like, obviously it's not my day. But anyway, Ace, all cars everywhere. So basically, one day me and my friend, we were talking about like car vlogs, because, you know, that's what guys do. We talk about cars. And I think what happened was, like, I said something and he already knew what I was talking about because he watched that vlog. And in my head, I just thought that shit was pretty cool because, like, imagine, like, making, like, videos and, like, people in another state talking about your videos and, like, and then they actually, like, know. You know what I'm saying? Like, imagine, like, someone's talking about your videos, like, yeah, that Ace guy or whatever. And then they're like, yo, I watched this, you know what I mean? Like, I was like, hey, you know what, bro? We should make our own car vlogs, bro, because, like, half the shit they do in the videos, like, we do that shit on the daily, and the only thing is, we just don't film it, you know what I mean? So, like, we should get cameras and fucking start vlogging. So one day on the weekend, like, right after work, we bought the camera, he tested it out, and I was like, yo, bro, it's lit, it's a wrap. We're gonna start making car videos. So basically, this channel is gonna be about, like, car content. So if you like cars and you're into, like, car shenanigan, hooligan bullshit, fucking hit that subscribe button right now, because this is what we're about, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be lit, especially this summer, bro. There's gonna be mad builds on this channel. Right now, I'm in my Mark 5 GTI. I'm excited to have this shit on the channel, because when I first got my car, bro, and I went on, typed it up on YouTube, you know what I mean? Because I was ready to get into that shit, ready to start the build, and there was no builds on YouTube, like, with this car. Like, all the fucking builds that I see on YouTube is with, like, Nissans, Subarus, Evos, muscle cars. I was like, what the fuck? So, like, the only ideas I could get from my car was, like, actually going to car shows, like Waterfest. I was gonna say Music Fest. Like going to Waterfest in Englishtown, New Jersey. Which is actually now in Acco, New Jersey, Acco Raceway. And, like, seeing other people's cars, like, okay, yeah, those rims look, you know what I mean? And just getting ideas and, like, kind of, like, mixing them with mine and, like, transferring my car. So, like, it was either that or, like, scrolling through the gram and, like, looking at somebody who so happens to have the same, like, GTI as me and, like, you know, taking some of their ideas. There was none of that, because nobody fucking has this build on fucking YouTube. So I'm really excited to have this on the fucking vlog. I have another incognito car you guys are gonna be able to see soon. My friend has a fucking Dodge. I'm just telling you guys too much already. My one boy even has a slingshot. Yo, that shit in the summer. Watch, you guys are gonna take videos on that shit. That shit's gonna be lit. But yeah, that's pretty much what this channel is gonna be about. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, I didn't start vlogging like early like I should have, because I already did a lot of shit to this car. But I actually took a break because no money, you know what I'm saying? Pockets are a little hungry, but you know what? I'm gonna start back up on this shit. I basically was just doing TLC, like, you know, little shit like rotors, brakes, fucking like spark plugs, all that shit. But yeah, before I let you guys go, I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the hoopty right now. I'm not even gonna show you my dash because that should look like a Christmas tree right now, but it's all little shit. All right, so yeah, basically I don't be taking selfies or anything, so because I don't want to be that guy. That, you know, he's trying to look good and shit, but I'm really not like scared to be like behind the camera in public. As you can see, this car is driving, they're probably like, what the fuck, little ass camera. Nah, I don't give a fuck. But anyway, this is my car right here. Yeah, I've been starting this shit since I was like 18, 19. So like, yeah, it already has shit done to it. You know what I'm saying? But again, we're gonna be going to the Philly Auto Show this Saturday. So if you want to see some crazy shit, hit that subscribe button, like this video. Tell me what you guys like want to see on the channel. What kind of like car bullshit you want to see? But yeah, bro, it's gonna be a lit fucking journey. So thank you for watching. My name is Zay, and welcome to Ace.